In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brevo CRM. First, open your browser and head to the Brevo app. Once you're in, find the CRM section in the main navigation and open it. You'll land on the contacts area, which is your central hub for people data. This is your contact database where you can view, organize, and manage contacts individually or as a group. To add someone new, choose the option to create a contact. Enter the essentials, starting with first name, then last name, and email. These fields help you keep records consistent and make future filtering and messaging more accurate. If you're bringing in a larger list, you can import contacts in bulk. As you import, make sure your columns match the fields in Brevo so everything maps cleanly. Along the top of CRM, you can switch between key sections. Contacts is where you manage people. Companies lets you handle the organizations they belong to. Deals is your pipeline for tracking opportunities. Notes is where you capture context and updates tied to records. Use these tabs to jump to what you need, and use the on-screen options to choose the action that fits your workflow. Next, go to Lists. This is where you organize audiences into reusable groups. Create a new list, give it a clear name, and place it in a folder so your workspace stays tidy. Lists are perfect for ongoing marketing or sales outreach where membership is curated. For dynamic groupings, head over to Segments. Here you can build rule-based audiences that update automatically. Create a segment and choose whether to start from scratch or use a template. You'll see helpful categories including email marketing, SMS marketing, demographics, and sales. Pick the one that best fits your goal. Then define your conditions so you're targeting the right people at the right time. Now, open companies. Create a company record to centralize organization level details and then associate it with the relevant contacts. That linkage keeps your account and people data in sync and makes reporting more meaningful. Move to Deals to manage your sales pipeline. This area helps you track stages, next steps, and progress toward closing. If you're new, follow the guided onboarding to boost your sales efficiency and get set up quickly. Finally, visit Tasks. Use tasks to schedule follow-ups, calls, or reminders tied to a contact, company, or deal. Keeping tasks organized ensures nothing slips through the cracks and your team stays aligned. That's the tour. With contacts, lists, segments, companies, deals, notes, and tasks working together, Brevo CRM gives you a clear, actionable view of your relationships and revenue.